Halo semuanya, kali ini kita akan membahas film yang berjudul The Beach. Sebelum kita mulai, kita ingatkan kalau video ini mengandung full spoiler.
My name is Richard.
Richard sedang melakukan solo traveling di kota Bangkok.
So never refuse an invitation. Never resist the unfamiliar.
Bangkok adalah kota yang sangat asing bagi Richard.
That was excellent.
Namun ia mulai terbiasa dengan tempat itu. Pria itu tertarik melihat Francois, namun sayangnya gadis itu sudah memiliki pacar bernama Etitian. Richard tidak bisa tidur karena ada pemuda stres yang mengganggunya.
You got anything to smoke?
No, I don't have anything to smoke.
I've got loads of the fucking stuff. You see, she's on an island. And the island is perfect. I mean, it's just like a lagoon, you know. It's sealed in by cliffs.
Pria itu menceritakan tentang sebuah pulau surga.
And nobody can ever go there. Ever. It's been nice knowing you, man.
Keesokan paginya, Richard menemukan peta menuju pulau tersebut.
No fucking way. Hello?
Namun sayangnya, pria itu mengakhiri hidupnya, sehingga Richard terpaksa menjadi saksi di kantor polisi.
Hey, you want to take a hike?
Richard mencoba mengajak Francois dan Etitian pergi ke pulau surga itu.
Bangkok to Suratani. Natam to Chaweng. 500 miles in 24 hours. We were headed for the great unknown.
Saat sedang beristirahat, Richard semakin terpana melihat kecantikan Francois.
It's arranged. There's one problem. He will not take us to the island.
But how do we get from there to there?
We swim.
Okay, so how far is it though?
I don't know, 1 or 2 kilometers?
Saat hujan deras, Richard tak sengaja kehilangan kunci kamarnya.
You want to grab a beer or something?
Saat mendapat teman baru, Richard langsung menceritakan tentang pulau surga itu. Sebelum berangkat, Richard menyalin peta itu dan meninggalkannya di depan pintu kamar teman barunya.
Richard, are you ready? Let's go.
Pada malamnya, Richard mencoba mengambil gambar dari objek luar angkasa.
Hi.
Whoa, there's probably a planet out there, right? Where anything you want to happen.
This is just the kind of pretentious bullshit that
God, sorry.
1 kilometer.
2.
Keesokan harinya, mereka bersiap untuk menyeberang ke pulau surga itu.
So let's go. I think we're about halfway. Richard! What's so thin? Trottoirs! Trottoirs! She's gone! Oh fuck, it's your back! Oh, you Europeans, you're so funny, huh? Oh, fuck off!
Come on. Wow.
Mereka tak sengaja menemukan ladang ganja yang dijaga oleh orang-orang bersenjata. Pelarian mereka terhenti karena mereka terjebak di sebuah tebing yang curam.
Well, yeah, and look where you've taken us.
Saat sedang berdebat, Francois memberanikan diri untuk melompati jurang itu.
Motherfucker! Françoise!
Ternyata, mereka telah diamati oleh seseorang.
Congratulations! Think maybe you better meet up with Sal. How are you, Kitty?
It was like the guy who drew it. He's dead.
Well, that's sad news. Do you think he gave a map to anybody else?
No.
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 Good. We value our secrecy.
Setelah membakar peta Richard, mereka resmi diterima bergabung dalam komunitas itu. Komunitas itu merupakan surga bagi para anggotanya. Mereka mampu menghasilkan makanan sendiri dan memanfaatkan sumber alamnya dengan baik. Selain itu, mereka hidup bahagia dengan hal-hal yang sederhana.
Andy, bring yours closer.
I mean, I could do that if I wanted to.
What are you talking about?
Making conversation.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No. Why?
Just making conversation.
Walaupun mereka nyaman di pulau itu, namun Richard mulai merasa cemburu melihat kemesraan antara Etitian dan Francois. Sementara itu, Sal, pemimpin komunitas itu, terlihat tertarik pada Richard.
Richard,
Yeah.
would you like to come to the beach with me?
Sure. Yeah.
Are you happy, Richard?
Yeah.
It's difficult for me to spend time with you. I like you a lot. It's our secret. Come on.
That night we promised ourselves, and we honestly believed.
Pada akhirnya, Francois dan Richard saling jatuh cinta.
I want to talk about you and Françoise.
Akhirnya, Etitian menyadari perselingkuhan antara Richard dan kekasihnya.
But I want her to be happy. We all do, right? Shut up! You, Richard! I know! Everybody knows!
Namun, pria itu memilih untuk mengalah demi kebahagiaan Francois.
With the heavy rain and the bad light, it's very difficult to catch them. Sometimes we get really hungry.
Richard memberanikan diri untuk menangkap ikan sendirian. Namun sayangnya, mereka semua menyadari bahwa Richard sedang dalam bahaya.
That instant, man, I knew it was either the shark or me. Jeez, God. But if I remember correctly, where he said, "Hey, Richard, man, enjoy your dinner."
Alright, everybody.
Karena membutuhkan obat-obatan,
So don't all volunteer at once.
Richard,
Yeah.
You gonna come to Koh Phangan with me?
Sal mengajukan Richard untuk menemaninya ke kota. Para anggota menitip pesanan belanja mereka kepada Richard.
100 paracetamol, 6 packs of tampons.
Please fill this bag with a soft bog roll.
Soft bog roll?
And 20 condoms. Make it 40 condoms.
And a bottle of vodka.
What do you want? Keep your hands to yourself and your dick in your pants.
Karena terbiasa hidup damai, Richard mulai terganggu dengan keramaian di tempat itu.
So how does it feel to be back in the real world?
Not like I remembered it.
It is Richard! Damn!
Tiba-tiba, Richard didatangi oleh teman yang memiliki salinan peta pulau itu.
The man with the map. Listen to me, there's no beach. You wouldn't be holding out on us, would you? I'm trying to tell you to forget it, right, asshole?
So you told them where you were going.
Yeah.
Did they have a copy?
No.
Sal mulai membuat Richard gugup, namun wanita itu justru memerintahkan Richard untuk menemaninya tidur.
So why don't you go and warm the bed? Now get some sleep. I may wish to have sex again before we eat breakfast.
Problem solved. All right, here's the bleach.
One disposable camera. What's wrong?
I mean, being with Sam. Some people say she's attracted to you. Nothing happened?
No, of course not.
You promise?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, come on, everybody. Okay, you stand up Louis.
Suatu hari, 3 orang anggota terluka parah setelah diserang oleh hiu. Setelah itu, mereka semua berduka karena telah kehilangan 2 orang anggotanya. Christopher, korban yang selamat, berusaha sekuat tenaga untuk tetap hidup. Namun sayangnya, suara pria itu mulai mengganggu anggota komunitas lainnya. Akhirnya, anggota komunitas itu dengan tega memindahkan Christopher ke sebuah tenda yang jauh dari tempat mereka.
Richard!
A map she's holding. And did you make that copy?
I mean...
Okay, whatever happens, you get the map back.
Wait, Sal!
Get the map!
Sal, is that you? Get that light out of my...
You're a pig!
What is it then?
You and Sal in Koh Phangan. She has told everyone! And
Hey, Francoise,
there's nothing you can say.
Karena dibuang oleh komunitas itu, Richard mencoba untuk mengamati petani ganja yang tinggal di pulau itu.
A map? Sorry. We'll go now. Oh, look, American dollars. I got them. You can have them.
Hey.
Dude. Come, Daddy, come down there.
Richard berhasil menyelesaikan masalah petanya, namun pria itu merasa menyesal atas kematian teman-temannya itu. Kemudian, Richard mengajak Etienne dan Francois untuk meninggalkan pulau itu.
I can't leave him. We can't move him. It's gangrene.
Akhirnya, Richard memilih untuk mengakhiri penderitaan dari Christopher.
I said no more people. You give them the map. Now, you all go home.
No, we're not leaving. This is our house.
Sal, if he says that we should leave...
Richard, shut up! Who copied the map, Richard?
The one who sneak out. And you bring people here. If you want to stay.
Sal! Fuck, Sal, no! Sal,
You brought us trouble.
if you pull that trigger, it's all fucking over and you know it.
Everyone has to watch, Sal.
God!
They can take it.
Akhirnya, seluruh anggota komunitas itu menyadari bahwa ternyata Sal sangat egois. Hal itu membuat mereka memilih untuk pergi meninggalkannya. Dan film pun selesai. Baiklah teman-teman, bagaimana tanggapan kalian tentang film ini? Saya tunggu di kolom komentar ya. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe channel kita. Terima kasih. Thank you.